Oh, baby, baby. Ah, why did you switch the lights on? Hmm? And also light, you know. Baby, you're snoring too much. Ah, what is cool? Then, if you can't, you are making noise. Go and sleep in the other room. I can't sleep with that big snoring.
I'm not snoring.
You're snoring, you say you're not snoring. Ah, how can I sleep?
Sleep. I'm not sleeping.
Ah, baby, baby. I'm going to sleep with Lucas. I'm going to sleep with Lucas. I can't sleep with this one. What kind of life is that?
What is
I'm going to sleep with Lucas. You're making noise.
I'm not making noise, baby.
I want to sleep and you're doing like that.
Where are you going?
You know I feel it's late now. See the time. It's almost 1. What kind of life is that? I don't know. Let me bed out.
No, come. It's a plan. Where are you going? Come.
It's what?
It's a plan.
1 o'clock a.m. 1 o'clock a.m. when you're doing plan.
1 o'clock a.m. Don't do that plan.
Ah, baby, I feel sleepy. You know, Lucas worries me. Why are you pranking? And where is the camera?
In the camera. And I don't want to. Just to prank you, see how it goes.
Seriously? Oh.
I've got you, baby.
Because me, I feel sleepy. Maybe you are pranking. What kind of life is that? This one here. Ah. How can I sleep?
I said the plan. Huh? Just to prank you, see how it goes.
What kind of life is that?
You feel sleep?
What kind of question is that? 1 a.m. Don't I feel sleep?
Hi guys. I got there.
Go to.
You. Well, every day she prank me.
Would you go to work tomorrow and you are here pranking?
Today I get there.
Go and take that camera from me. What kind of life is that?
You said what? To give it to you.
You give it to anytime you say you give it to me. Anytime, let's sleep and stop that.
See your face. So guys, so if you're not subscribed yet, try to subscribe. See your face.
We'll be end the video. Let's sleep.
Hey.